Well, happy Friday. It's been a chilly few days, and this is looking at the temperature anomaly. The last few days, of course, cooler than normal, but not by as much as you'd think. But the next several days, this is the next 5 days, well above normal for all of Central and Eastern North America, and that includes us. We're talking about some very nice temperatures here for the weekend. 70s, of course, we had our first 70 already out of the way, coming about 2 weeks earlier than normal. We're on track to possibly get very close to our first 80 on Monday. If that happens, that would come a full 4 weeks earlier than normal almost. And just for reference sake, June 2nd is the average first 90 for those who like the summer heat. Of course, Europe has been seeing quite the heat wave too. 80 degrees in London, an 81 degree reading in Germany. These are the earliest 80 degree readings for those places. Europe doesn't see the kind of extreme temperatures that we normally do, so this is pretty unusual to see temperatures near 80 for much of continental Europe, and then of course even hotter, 90s into southern Spain, which again is a little early for them. Tornado season had kind of a lackluster start for the U.S. here for the beginning of the year, which is usually fine. Below normal tornadoes January and February, but really catching up here in the month of March. This is looking at the data, and we saw almost 1.5 times the normal tornadoes in the month of March. So while we were below normal for January and February, we caught up, and this next graphic will show that spike that really we saw in tornadoes here in the month of March. Hopefully not a harbinger of what's to come for the rest of the spring. April and May is the peak of the severe weather season for the U.S. overall, more like May, June for us in Minnesota, but you can kind of see that spike here. I've pointed that out in the month of March, and this is where those tornadoes were spread out across the south and southeast. No severe weather today. In fact, we've got a bubble of high pressure. That's what this closed off circle is. That's been giving us the sunshine the last couple days. Moving off to the southeast, a little bit more unsettled weather over the next several. You can see these isobars, the yellow lines bunching up. That means more wind. We've seen that today, red flag warnings, so watch out. This is our fire danger season as we're waiting for things to green up. We have lots of sun, dry air, warmer temperatures, and all that wind. The wind is not sticking around though. We're gonna see 70s Sunday, Monday without the 40, 50 mile an hour winds that we had on Monday. Warm temperatures build back in. All this orange and red and white are warmer than normal temperatures, with the cool stuff kind of bottled up into Alaska and for the West Coast. So very close to 60 today. Might be just a degree shy of it. I do think west central Minnesota pops into the low 60s and still cooler in the northeastern part of the state. Tomorrow, gorgeous Saturday. Sunny skies, hardly a cloud to be found. We'll be in the upper 60s tomorrow. 50s in northern Minnesota, but still pretty nice sunshine. We'll have some high clouds around on Sunday, Easter Sunday, but look at this, well into the 70s and 60s all the way up onto the Iron Range. The exceptions are going to be around, of course, the north shore of Lake Superior. It takes a while to warm up. And then Monday, upper 70s, again, a shot at 80 if we can keep the clouds at bay. We're gonna have some showers and thunderstorms kind of rumbling here. It looks like Sunday night and Monday night. So if we can get enough sun in between on Monday, we could get very close to 80, but so we're kind of hedging our bets right now. You'll see in the forecast, but here's Sunday night, chance of a couple thunderstorms. We're gonna have that warm front sitting around the area, so that's gonna be the focal point of at least some isolated showers or thunder. And then again, here's Monday night, the chance of a few overnight showers and thunderstorms. And then a bigger system comes out of the west. This is going to be a soaker, it looks like, here Tuesday night into Wednesday and Thursday. The potential for a lot of rainfall. You can watch it add up here over the middle part of next week. We're talking about another maybe 1 to 2 inch rainfall event, kind of like what we had last week, if you can remember. These are European model rainfall totals, and American and Canadian models all in the same vicinity in similar amounts. So a soaker somewhere in the region. Again, that's Tuesday night into Wednesday and Thursday primarily, but a gorgeous weekend. Close to 60 today with just some of those high cirrus clouds you've been seeing. 68, sunny tomorrow, some high clouds again Sunday, but 73? Yeah, usually Easter Sunday is not that nice around here. And then Monday, that shot at 80, going 77 right now though, because I do think there will be some debris clouds around, and then cooler and wetter heading into the middle of next week.